So welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing strategy you could use to make money just by creating AI animated video for kids. So if you do watch this video right now to the end, you can actually learn how to do just that and utilize that to make a lot of money online. And if you're new to my channel, I create videos basically on how to make money online with the use of artificial intelligence, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other ways to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel and you can see a lot of videos that could help you out. You could also make sure, guys, that you subscribe to the channel right here and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you increase or boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today, if you take a look at this particular YouTube channel right here, this channel basically focuses on creating animations for kids right here, and I'm going to show you how you could just simply go into creating similar kind of animations. And if you do check through social blade statistics, you will find out that this channel is actually making a lot of money right now each and every single month from that particular type of content. You can see right here that they actually go on to getting about $381.8 thousand every single month on this platform and make about $4.6 million from this platform called YouTube just by creating such kind of content. Now, for you to actually go on to doing similar stuff to this right here, the first thing which you want to get done is to create a script for your video, and you can take advantage of this AI tool called ChatGPT to do so. So you can use ChatGPT's content writing capability to go on to generating scripts which you want to utilize for your video right now. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write a story or write a script for a video. If you take a look at this right now, I'm asking ChatGPT to write a superhero story for kids in 400 words, and ChatGPT is doing quite a good job right now. So once ChatGPT is done, you then want to just simply give ChatGPT a new prompt, and that prompt right here will be to generate prompts that you can use to generate images for this particular story. So right now I asked ChatGPT to write prompts to generate images for this story right now, and ChatGPT is actually doing also a great job right here. So you want to make sure that once ChatGPT is done with this right now, you want to just simply go on to converting this particular prompt into an image with the help of Leonardo AI right now. So all you need to do is to head back to ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy the first prompt right here. If I do copy this one right now, I'm going to just simply head back to Leonardo AI. You want to sign up to this platform. It is absolutely free to sign up. If you do click on launch app, you can sign up for absolutely free using your email address, log into your account. So once you're logged in, you could be brought to a page such as this, and you could take a look at all these images right now. All the images, as you can see right here, were created with the help of artificial intelligence right now called Leonardo AI. So you want to create something kind of similar and something kind of cool right now. So to do that, come onto this section which says AI image generation, and you want to just simply go on to pasting your prompt right now from ChatGPT right here in this section. And you also want to just simply add this exact same kind of prompts at the end right now. These are actually what will make your video, your images quite cool and look quite like an animation right now. So once you're done this right here, click on generate right now, and it's actually going to come up with some cool images in the matter of seconds right here. So you want to go back to ChatGPT while the image is generating and copy the second prompt right now. So if I do copy the second section of the prompt, I'm just going to head back to Leonardo AI. So you can take a look at this. This is how the prompt is actually, these are the images are actually looking like right here. So I'm going to come right here to this section and also go on to pasting the new prompt right now. And if I do paste that, I'm going to click on generate also to generate second set of images. So take a look at this right here. These are actually the images you can see right now. So I'm just going to create one more right now so as not to make the video too long. So if I head back to ChatGPT and copy the next scene right now, if I copy this, head back to Leonardo AI and just simply paste that in this section, you'll be able to see how cool the video or the images are actually going to go on to looking like. So once the images has been generated right now, the next thing which you actually want to get done is to download the images and go on to animating such images right now. So what I'm going to do is to download this one right here, And I'm also going to come right here and download this one and also this one. So once you do download these images, guys, you want to just simply head onto this particular platform called Pika.art. And with this platform, you can use it to animate your images right here. So if you come onto this platform right here, go on to creating a Discord account on the platform. And you just need to accept their invite to their Discord channel, and you should be brought to a page similar to this. Go on to one of these creation groups right here to generate something quite cool. Click on this slash, and you want to select the slash imagine animate image prompt. Go on to selecting the image right now from your device right there, which you want to just simply animate. So I'm going to start with the first image right there, which is this one right now. So if I just select this one, I click on open right now, and I'm just going to go on to animating this right here. So if I do come right here, I'm just going to click on enter to animate that exact image, and you can see right here, this is my prompt. I'm just going to stick on with this prompt so as it may not get lost right now in the midst of other people's commands right now, or prompts for this AI to go on to generating cool and amazing animations of their images. So guys, if you take a look at this right now, this is the video that's actually been animated for me with the help of this AI tool. So what you want to do right now is to just simply click on this download icon and download this image. You want to also go on to animating the other images right now. So I'm just going to click on the slash animate prompt. If I do select that, I'm going to go on to uploading the images right here. Maybe I'm going to animate more than one image right now. So I'm just going to go on to selecting this one. I'm just going to select this one right here. As you can see, I can actually add one more. So I'm just going to click on slash animate. I'm just going to do this as it is right now to animate them separately. So guys, while the animation is actually being created, you then want to just simply go on to converting the AI, the story which ChatGPT actually generated for you right now, which is this story, into a voiceover. So if you do come right here and actually go on to highlighting the entire story and just simply copy that right there. So you want to highlight the entire story to this, copy that, and go on to a particular platform, which is a text to speech platform like the 11 Labs right here, which you can see right now. So you want to utilize this platform right here to go on to converting text into voiceovers with amazing AI voices. You could also utilize platforms like Flicky AI to do just that. All you need to do if you're using the 11 Labs right now is to just simply come right here, and you want to just simply paste in that particular script, click on generate, and your script will be actually generated, or your voiceover will be generated
in the
right
bustling
now.
city of Joyville,
You can listen
where
to how it
laughter
sounds.
echoed through the streets, lived a remarkable kid named Lily. What made Lily extraordinary wasn't just her infectious giggle, but a hidden power she discovered one sunny afternoon. As she played in her backyard.
So guys, I think you've listened to how that actually sounds. Next, you want to just simply click on download, and the voiceover will be downloaded on your device right now. Then you could just go back to checking out that particular animation which you actually gave this AI tool to work on. So as you can see right now, here is the animation right here, and this is how cool it's actually looking like. So I'm just going to download this right here. You want to make sure you take out much of your time to animate each and every single image right there. And if you do that right now, the next thing which you want to do right there is to actually go on to utilizing a video editor tool to actually edit that particular video, to merge the videos together, including the voiceover, and use that to create an amazing video right now. So guys, we're going to be utilizing this video editor tool called CapCut. So if you do come onto this platform right here, you want to click on this plus icon to actually import those particular files you downloaded right now onto this section. So I'm just going to import the animated videos right now and the voiceover right here into this particular application right now. So once that has actually been imported, all you need to do right now is to drag the voiceover right here into this section. I'm just going to drag the voiceover and drop right now in this section. So once the voiceover has actually been inserted, you then want to just simply listen to the voiceover and actually edit that with these animated images or videos right now. So the first thing which actually comes first right now among these two animations is this particular one, which you can see right here. So you're just going to listen to how it's actually going to sound.
In the bustling city of Joyville, where laughter echoed through the streets, lived a remarkable kid named Lily. What made Lily extraordinary? City of Joyville, where laughter echoed through the streets, lived a remarkable. In the bustling city of Joyville, where laughter echoed through the streets, lived a remarkable kid named Lily. Laughter echoed through the streets, lived a remarkable kid named Lily. What made Lily extraordinary wasn't just her infectious giggle, but a hidden power she discovered.
So once you actually do arrange each and every section such as this right now, all you need to do is to get other cool and amazing animations right there, add and actually go on to using that to create a video right now. You could also go on to adding a voice background music if you do want to right there. And once you're done right here, I'm just going to end this at this section so as not to make the video quite lengthy. So I'm just going to come right here and actually cut out this section. So if I do cut out this section right here and delete, what I'm going to do is to just simply export the video. And if I do export the video right now, guys, you'll be able to listen to how cool this video actually sounds like. Guys, listen to how the video actually sounds like.
Lived a remarkable kid named Lily. What made Lily extraordinary wasn't just her infectious giggle, but a hidden power.
So you can see how cool the video actually is right now. So all you need to do right now is to take out your time and create such cool kinds of videos with such platforms. And if this video added any form of value to you, do smash the like button to the video, guys, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.